Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to talk about Design College in IIT, that is IDC. Basically, we are talking everything about Bachelor's of Design in IIT and Masters of Design in IIT. How you can get into IIT without cracking JEE paper or GATE examinations. There is a different mode from which you can enter design fields in IIT colleges, that is from IDC. And if you are new to my channel, I make contents regarding design, art, architecture, planning, bee planning, and different courses about interior designing, graphic design, and all communication design, these kind of stuffs. Basically everything regarding design jobs, creative careers, creativity, arts, and all. So if you want more things regarding this, please subscribe to the channel. So let's move. What is IDC? Basically it is Industrial Design Center, based from Bombay IIT. It's called Industrial Design Center, and this holds an examination called UCEED. We'll talk about it in later. So basically it provides graduation courses in the field of basically it started for the field of industrial design, but now they have different disciplines in different campuses. Let's see what are those colleges. For Bachelor of Design, IDC has four campuses, that is IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, IIT Jabalpur, IIT Hyderabad, and it's a 4-year Bachelor of Design course. Please watch my Bachelor what is B Design and different fields in it. I'll be giving a link in the description of or at the end of this video. You can watch it from there. You will get the videos on the screen, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. So there are 4 campuses. IIT Bombay, yeah, you can get IIT Bombay without even cracking JEE, okay, and it's an amazing field. So basically the exam conducted for Bachelor of Design in for the IIT IDC colleges is UCEED, that is undergraduate common entrance examination, examination of design. So for this you have to and there are not only IITs, there are other colleges which you can get from your UCEED score, and I have given that in my another video of B Design colleges in India. You can go and check it out from there. And basically Bachelor of Design provides courses for industrial and communication design. So one more thing I wanted to tell you was for IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Bombay, IIT Jabalpur, and IIT Hyderabad, you can be you can be from any other streams, but for IIT Guwahati you have to be from PCM background in 10+2, and then your UCEED scores will be calculated. For industrial, and they basically provide Bachelors of Design in 2 fields. One is industrial design, that is that surrounds around industrial products, product based industrial designs, and other is communication design for the courses like graphic design, video communication, film and animation, these sort of things. Then you have Master of Design in IIT. This is amazing course. Anybody who want better alternative than your MTech and better alternative than your MBA, this is this is go-to course, I can say. There are people who are CEO of Philips company are have done masters in design from IITs, and it's a great course. And if you want to have more information regarding masters in design, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing different video for that. Last video I talked about masters of design in NID. This video I'm talking here about masters of design in IITs. So IITs are again the topmost colleges. They are combined with engineering, and then they have design knowledge. It's an amazing course. So you basically have all these 6 IIT colleges and one IISc Bangalore, for which you have to cross the seed examination. By the way, IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, IIT Jabalpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi, you can be graduate from any field, but for IIT Kanpur and IISc Bangalore, you have to have a graduation from engineering background, and your GATE course will be considered here. Not only your seed course, your GATE course. So CEED is the exam for which you need to give for um, what seed is the exam which you have to apply for your IIT M Design in IIT courses and IISc. And I'll be talking about when I'll be doing a video on Masters in Design. If you are watching it really late, I would have been done it. So please check out in my channel, and we'll talk about SEED and UCEED. And Master in Design has disciplines like industrial design and IT integrated design, that is your interaction design, UI design, these sort of things, automobile design, product design, transport design, and communication design. These are the major fields in which MDes in IIT design happens. There's no scope in the field of accessory design, apparel, or these sort of things. For that, you have to go to NID colleges. So check the disciplines before going there. So be sure about what kind of disciplines you want to choose, and then choose the college accordingly. Don't go, "Oh, it's a NID, it's a IIT, so I can do it from here." If field is not of your interest, there is no use in it. So these are the major fields, and if you want to know about all these designs, what they exactly do, please subscribe to the channel, because I'll be doing contents regarding what is design sort of topic and what are different kinds of design in it. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.